Let's talk about big tech earnings. What's your take? Right now, we were just talking about Microsoft being the biggest laggard on the Dow. Of course, Meta also pulling back. They have taken that one-time charge in common. What's your view on the two big tech earnings that are moving lower this morning?
Well, I don't think it's massively disappointed. The earning was not that bad. And if, with just the news you just told us about OpenAI, I think for Microsoft on a long-term basis, everything can be open, right? And we are waiting for sure tonight, Apple and Amazon. And I think that's going to be really the big picture that everyone is waiting for.
All right. Other side of the coin, of course, was Alphabet earnings. Very strong, especially when it came to their search business. Also seeing some growth when it comes to Gemini. Out of these reports, is one of those a read into Apple or Amazon in your mind?
Well, not really. I think we need to, work carefully what's going to be the capex also for them for the future. And for sure, AI is a big theme for everyone, not only for our client, but I think for everyone, every company right now.
All right, let's get to your word of the day. It's inflection. What inflection are you seeing? Is it about trade, the Fed? What's the inflection you're looking at?
It's funny, yeah. Yesterday I would say that my word would be inflection because we are at a turning point. There was a Fed, there is the big cap was given the earnings after the close. But as of today, I would say the word would be more digestion or pause. And I think everyone is a little bit, on pause to digest what Powell have said yesterday, to digest the earnings of yesterday and waiting maybe the earnings for tonight and ECB early this afternoon. So today I would say that the right word would be more digestion or pause.
All right. And on a day like this, I think it's fair to switch it up, Valerie. So we're going to let you switch it up. I want to get to your pick. It's uranium miners. Now, is this off the news, the president, that he wants to ramp up testing? Or is there some other reason why you're so bullish on this area?
Oh, actually, it's a theme we have since a couple of years, I have to say. The logic was quite simple. Global power demand is exploding, driven by AI, EV, electrification. So for us, the uranium market is undersupply, with demand from data center and new reactor are rising very fast. So more or less, for us, it's really one of the most durable commodity story in the decade. Yep. So this is really a theme we recommend to the client, and we actually use ETF to play the theme. As an example, URA in the US, okay. But we play that via ETF.
Speaking of commodities, Jeff Gundlach on our air saying he's pulling back when it comes to gold. Do you agree with that? Do you think gold's had its run and now it could be facing a major pullback or a minor pullback?
I think gold is just in a consolidation phase. We've been very quick to 4,300. We're going back to 4,000. I don't see any panic from clients who hold gold. They're all happy to hold gold. I can see also some institution doesn't have any big exposure on gold. So that's maybe it's going to be a second wave. But for the moment, we are in this consolidation phase. But for a long-term basis, we are still bullish on the asset class.